Good morning students. Today let's start with the activity turnover ratios का fourth ratio. So let us do a little revision. The activity turnover ratios are of four types. The first one is inventory turnover, which tells us ki how soon the stock will be converted into sales. Bills receivable turnover, how soon our debtors will return the money that they have taken from us. Bills payable, how soon we are going to return money to our creditors. And today we'll study about the working capital turnover ratio. कितनी जल्दी हमारी वर्किंग कैपिटल जो है वो कितनी ज़्यादा लगी हुई है बिजनेस में. It is we find out working capital turnover ratio by dividing revenue from operations और net sales. नेट सेल्स कहाँ होती है हमारी? ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में. रिमेंबर, बाय की साइड हम लिखते हैं और क्रेडिट साइड पे हम लिखते हैं बाय सेल्स. तो वो जो नेट सेल्स होती है वो यहाँ पर आएगी विद डिवाइडेड बाय वर्किंग कैपिटल. व्हाट इज़ वर्किंग कैपिटल? वर्किंग कैपिटल मतलब कि हमारे बिजनेस में कितना कैपिटल, कितना ओनर का पैसा ऐसा है जो बिजनेस में लगा हुआ है, काम पे लगा हुआ है. तो हाउ डू वी फाइंड आउट वर्किंग कैपिटल? वी सब्ट्रैक्ट करंट लाइबिलिटीज फ्रॉम करंट एसेट्स. What is this ratio, working capital turnover ratio? It reveals that how efficiently working capital has been utilized in making sales. कितनी जल्दी, कितने अच्छे से हमारी सेल्स हो रही है, ये वर्किंग कैपिटल टर्नओवर रेशियो से हमको पता चलता है. हाई रेशियो, इसका हाई रेशियो गुड होता है, बट अ वेरी हाई रेशियो का मतलब ये होगा कि ओवर ट्रेडिंग. ओवर ट्रेडिंग मीन्स बिजनेस इज बीइंग रन विद टू लिटिल वर्किंग कैपिटल. So this would not be good for it. So a significant ratio should be there, not much high and not much low. Now let us start with question number 79 for this ratio. We will have questions from 79 till 84 which you have to do for this particular ratio. Now let's start with question number 79. Calculate working capital turnover ratio from the following. So credit revenue is given, cash revenue is given, current assets, current liabilities and revenue from operations, sales return is given to us. So first of all we'll find out revenue or net sales. How do we calculate net sales? अब इसमें हमको credit sales दे रखी हैं प्लस कैश सेल्स दी हुई है एंड वी सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम इट सेल्स रिटर्न. क्रेडिट सेल्स इज 8 lakh, कैश सेल्स इज 12,60,000 and sales return is 80,000. So we get 19,80,000 as net sales. Now we will find out our working capital. So how do we calculate working capital? It is equal to current assets minus current liabilities. How much are the current assets? Current assets हैं हमारे क्वेश्चन में दिए हुए. It is 7,20,000. We subtract 3,24,000 which are our current liabilities. We get 3,96,000. Now we will find out the working capital turnover ratio. It will be equal to net sales upon working capital. Net sales were 19,80,000. We just calculated. We divided by 3,96,000. This comes around 5 and the ratio is expressed in times. So this is how a question for working capital turnover ratio is done. The questions are till question number 84 which you are required to do for this particular ratio. If you have any doubts then please get back to me. Have a nice day. Thank you.